Hi, my name's Elisheva, and on behalf of Matan, I'm so excited to welcome you to our next series of Tech Tip Tuesdays. Today, we're going to be featuring JamBoard, which is a great collaboration tool sponsored by Google. So, for those of you who have never seen JamBoard before, what you're going to do is go to the website jamboard.google.com, and when you get there, you will be on this screen. So you can start by renaming your jam. We're going to call this one Tech Tip Tuesday. Now, what's so great about Jamboard? You can share this Jamboard with all of the people in your class by hitting the share button, and you can either copy the link to them or you can add them if they have a Google account right here. And then everyone who has access to your Jamboard can see what you're working on at the same time. So what you can do is you can create a sticky note. You can make it yellow, green, blue, any of these colors. Once you hit save, your sticky note will pop up onto your screen. Something else you can do on Jamboard is you can simply use the pen feature. Here you can see different sizes of the pen, marker, highlighter, the paintbrush, and the different options for what color you want to write in. So let's choose green. We'll choose the pen. And here we're just writing. Then if you don't like what you did, you can click the eraser button and you can erase your message. If you would like to include an image on your Jamboard, you click here, Add Image. You can either upload an image that you already have on your computer, you can go to your camera, or you can do a Google image search. Let's search for ice cream. And here you can choose any of the ice creams that you want. You insert your photo right there. Now you can make your photo bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can move it all around the screen. We also have the shape feature. So you can make different shapes, a circle, a square, a triangle. Let's say you want your picture to be inside a shape or right near it. You can make a text box. So you can write a message, hello, students. And another nice feature is the laser pointer. So if you want to draw attention to one part of your screen with your laser, that will bring your students' attention right to where you're pointing, and then it will disappear. Another feature of Jamboard is you can create multiple frames. So if you would like to see your students working on different frames at the same time, you'll just keep creating as many frames as you need. There are different backgrounds you can use. You can use these dots. You can use lined paper. You can use graph paper. You can change it to a solid color. And if you don't like any of those, you can simply clear your frame. So we just want to also point out one great feature of Jamboard, which is that if a student is working on a Google Chromebook, they are not able to annotate on Zoom. If you share a Jamboard with them, they will be able to annotate on the Jamboard using the Google Chromebook because it's a separate application or website. So if you would like your students to participate by either drawing or making a sticky note, or adding an image or typing, then we recommend Jamboard. Have a great Tuesday. Thank you.